Uh, Good evening. I want to welcome you in a special way. Today, we are going to look at the types of companies. So now, companies can be actually classified into various types based on their structure, based on their ownership, and based on the liability of members. Now, let's look at the key and common types of companies. The first type of company that we're going to learn about today is private company limited by shares. Now, a limited company is actually a type of business structure where the liability of its members is limited to the amount and paid on their shares. You've got to understand that these companies cannot actually offer shares to the public, and typically they may have restrictions on the transfer of shares. Now, you have got to understand that the term limited, which is abbreviated as LTD, is normally or always included in the company name. Now, a private company limited by shares is actually a type of business structure that is commonly used for small to medium-sized enterprises. Now, you understand that it is a legal entity that is actually separate from its owners. Okay, it is a legal entity that's separate from its owners. Now, who are the owners of the company? The owners of the companies, we call them shareholders. So now, this company, which is called private company limited by shares, it is regarded to be a legal entity that stands on its own, which is actually separate from its owners who are shareholders. And then this private company limited by shares is actually governed by specific regulations and laws in the jurisdiction where it is registered. In the next lecture, I am going to explain the key characteristics of a private company limited by shares.